Prepare the required installation tools such as impact drill, screwdriver, expansion screws, hammer, level, tape measure, etc. First, install the fixing screws on the LED cabinet. Each cabinet has 4 fixing screws. Install the height of the LED screen according to your own needs. First, you need to determine the vertical height of the bottom of the LED screen, and then confirm and mark the distance between the two sides. Align using the support frame according to the marked points and maintain level according to the level on the support frame. Then use an impact drill to drill the hole. Put in the expansion screw and tighten it. After installation, confirm again whether the level is level. Put in the expansion screw and tighten it. And installed on the wall. After confirming that everything is level, install the first LED cabinet. The positioning posts of the LED cabinet are installed into the holes on the support frame. Subsequently, install the LED cabinets in sequence and tighten the screws between the cabinets. Put in the second support frame, and lift the support frame to let the positioning column of the LED cabinet fall into the appropriate position. Make sure it is level and then use an impact drill to drill holes. Insert the expansion screws and tighten to secure the position. Repeat the above operation, paying attention to keep the flatness of the support frame. After all cabinets are installed, adjust the flatness of the cabinets to achieve a complete flat surface. If it is not level, you can make slight adjustments with a screwdriver to make the surface flat. First, connect the power cords between cabinets. Pass the wire through the reserved hole between the two cabinets and connect the two ends of the power cord. Finally, select one end of the power cord and reserve it for connecting to an external power supply. The signal network cables connected inside the cabinets pass through the signal cable holes between the cabinets. Connect to the receiving card of each cabinet to complete signal transmission between cabinets. Finally, select one end of the signal line to connect to the external signal source. Power on and test whether the LED power indicator and LED receiving card indicator are operating normally to ensure normal power usage and signal transmission. After power usage and signal transmission are normal, disconnect the power supply and signal. Follow the direction indicated by the arrow in the module to start installing the LED module. Install the LED display module starting from the middle of the bottom and moving to both sides.